In this movie we will discuss the use of database files along with Visual Basic 2008. In the Visual Basic 2008 environment, you can write projects that display the data from external database files. VB 2008 uses ADO.NET. ADO stands for ActiveX Data Objects. ADO.NET allows you to access and manipulate data and allows you to work in a very user-friendly format called XML. The data is stored and transferred in XML, or Extensible Markup Language, which allows for a variety of formats such as Access and SQL and Oracle, among other databases. One of the great challenges that a software developer has is to allow for the multiple sources that are in different formats to be uniformly treated in a single application. By using XML Data, we've taken one step closer to that process. XML Data is an industry standard format which enables data to be stored and transferred easily. The necessary XML code is automatically generated by your Visual Basic 2008 application. So you really don't need to know much about the XML language properties. You simply need to know how the process works. The XML data is stored as text rather than binary data, which allows for greater ease of use and access through other systems. If you're familiar with HTML, you'll see similarities between XML and HTML in that tags are used. Tags are used to indicate data in XML. The XML data has an XML schema file. The schema file describes the fields and data types that are associated with the data. Sometimes this is referred to as metadata. ADO.NET performs validation on the data based on the XML schema. It also performs constraints and many other necessary tasks on the data. The schema file is created with XML tags. This allows it to be viewed and edited by a simple text editor. Some advantages of XML data is that it supports strong data typing. This ensures that the various data types are handled properly. XML data can be viewed as objects, which in turn makes the data immediately recognizable by the Visual Basic 2008 editor. In a separate movie, I will demonstrate how to create a simple object called a data grid view, which will link itself to an access data file and ADO.NET handling of the XML data. XML data is now much faster than the earlier versions in the current versions of ADO.NET. There will be a separate movie which will demonstrate the start to finish process of creating a Visual Basic 2008 application which incorporates an access data file.